All right, here we are at 112 Valley View Road in Media, PA, and this one is a complete full remodel. So as we fly back here, it does have that garage, the left section, a more than adequate backyard, and perfect shot of the roof. So fully updated, and we're gonna fly you back again. Decent backyard there, and great location when it comes to Rose Tree Elementary School. It's not that far away. So inside, this is a full remodel, top to bottom. And the basement, if you're familiar with many of these homes in the area, actually has the other side of it full and available for storage. So definitely a huge plus, because we sold one recently on Sandy Bank, and that was not the case. So there you go. You can see the neighborhood. We're gonna bring you up, and in general, you're gonna be wowed with this one. We're gonna have the 3D tour up shortly, but just wanted to get this out right away and make sure everyone saw it. So without further ado, we're gonna fly back, and then we're gonna get you started with the boots on the ground tour.
All right, 112 Valley View Road here in Media, and this one's a full remodel. So let's take you outside and then get you in. So legitimately everything here has been done. So we'll get to there. Here is the driveway. Now that part of the garage, or I should say the left garage, comes with this unit. So I'll show you the lovely backyard, and then we'll meander into the garage just to show you. So throughout the house, most of this is original hardware, and it's all working. So really, really nice high ceilings. Even that if you care to use it. So I'll spin you around, get your bearings. We have the back there with the little patio area, all brick. And actually for Media, quite a large backyard. I'll take you here just so you can see real quick. Nice little sitting area back there. And spin you around. And even another space for a shed or something else there, within whatever Media says we can do here. But there's the back. Actually have our assistant Leanne there. We'll wave to her and go around. So you see all the brick. We see new windows throughout, new roof, and the grass still has to come in. So that's why the hay's here. But there you are. And you see a little bit of the surrounding neighborhood here. Great, great pocket of Media. And there we are. So that is the outside. Let's venture inside. And again, all, from what I can tell, the original hardware was preserved. So it's a really nice feature. As soon as you come in here, you'll see the hardwood floors also preserved. So take a look at that. Recessed lighting, you can see it. This is the downstairs, there's a coat closet there. We'll spin you around into the dining room. Remember, all new windows. And look at that kitchen. Unbelievable. So white cabinets, soft close, stainless steel appliances. And in fact, probably room for at least one more stool there if you want to go that way. And gas cooking. So we'll spin you around. See the size of this kitchen. There you are. Beautiful. And just to be complete, here is the back. So right out the back door, even a newer screen door. And there is that back patio and that garage. So there you go. Spin you around once more without getting you dizzy. And take that in. So, again, beautiful with all these lights. And a great day outside there. So it really shows it off both inside and out. All right, we'll venture into the living room. Again, look at all the windows. So a lot of natural light is getting in here, but it's also amplified because we have a ton of recessed LED lights. So there you are. We'll head on upstairs. This is where the bathroom and the two bedrooms are located. Again, all fully redone. Give you the sense of the layout. So that's the bigger of the two bedrooms. Slightly smaller, but still a good size. And look at this bathroom. So the pictures will show it off. I'll get you in here too. So all original, I think just redone. Look at that. White, simplistic, yet elegant. So we'll take you back. Here is a linen closet right there. And again, take a note of that. The original hardware. And it all works. Even on the garage door. I love it. So here we go. I'll take you into the bigger of the two bedrooms. So thinner plank on the hardwood floors, original. It was just refinished. Take a gander at that. Bring you over here, we'll show you the closet. And there you are. And in fact, we just sold one right around the corner and was associated with another one selling right down the street. So any information you need, we're always here to help. But this one is nice. Really like that detail too. Just has some charm to it. By the way, space there and space there. I'll give you a quick little look. So plenty of storage space. Take you around. The other room had it as well. Now what some people do is they actually just put built-ins in there. Shelves or drawers, and you can just pull them out. So that's another design if you want to go that route. Because you have two there and you have two there. So if you're looking for some hidden storage, that is the way to go. So here we go. And none of these videos would be complete if we didn't show you everything we possibly can. And that's why I am going to venture down to the basement. So take in that beautiful kitchen one more time. I'm looking at it too. Original hardware there, or I believe very close to original. And down we go. So plenty of storage space down here. I'll show you what's newer. So again, newer water heater, expansion tank. Now everything here done pretty nice. The Gibson matches the Gibson unit outside, so that's great. Your electric panel and your gas meter. And some of these don't have this, but this was dug out at some point in time. You can see the newer PVC for the drain. So plenty of storage there and plenty of storage here. Because the one I just did on Sandy Bank did not have that additional storage space. So that's nice. So that's it. That is the basement. We'll venture back up there. And until we add some more drone footage, I will leave you right here with a shot of the kitchen. I'll take to the skies.